Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need black, white, and blue pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, 2 pieces of string, one that measures about 28 inches, and then another one the size of your wrist. And you're going to start with the long piece of string, and we're going to add a blue on each side, a blue that goes through both strings, a blue and a white, blue that goes through both, blue and then white, blue that goes through both, and blue on each side. We're going to hold this end and pull the other one. You'll make this tight and then tie it. Go ahead and cut that end off. Put your needle on. We'll go through that blue bead. We're going to add a white, blue, and white. Flip it around, and we're going to go through this blue. We're going to add a blue, another blue, and another one. We're going to go down this blue and this white, up this blue, and down this one. Flip it over. We'll add a blue and another one. We're going to go down this blue and this white, up this blue and down this one. Whoa. Flip it over. We're going to add a blue, and we're going to go through these two, down this one, and then up these two. We're going to add a blue. We're going to add a black. We're going to add a black and a blue. We're going to go down these two blue, we're going to go up these two, and then down this blue. Flip it over. This row will be blue. Flip it over. This row will be blue. And we're going down this blue and this white. We're going up these two blue, and then down this blue. This row it will be blue. Flip it over. This row is going to be blue. We're going down these two blue, up these two, and then down this blue. We're going to add a blue, and we're going to go through these two and then add another blue. And we're going to tie this. Cut that off. And then you'll take your small piece of string and go through this top bead and do whatever pattern you like. I'm going to do 2 black, white, 2 black, blue. I'm just going to repeat that until I get the length that I need. Okay, that's long enough. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.